Hey everyone, have you ever gone shopping in an English-speaking country and felt nervous? Like, how do I ask for my size? Or what do I say at the counter?
Oh, yes. I remember my first time shopping in London. The cashier said, "Do you want a bag?" And I said, "No, I already have one." But she was talking about a shopping bag, not a girlfriend.
Oh no, Paul, don't worry. Today we'll make sure you never feel awkward while shopping again.
That's right. Today's lesson is called English for Shopping Like a Pro. Let's learn the most useful English phrases you need in stores, markets, and malls.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. When you enter a shop, the shop assistant might say, "Hello, can I help you? Are you looking for something special?"
And you can reply, "Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt." "No, thank you. I'm just looking."
Perfect. The phrase "I'm just looking" means you don't need help yet. You're checking around.
Exactly. Now, once you find something you like, you can say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a medium size? Do you have this in another color?"
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Do you have this in a medium size? Do you have this in another color?
Great job.
Now, when you're ready to try the item, you can say, "Can I try this on?"
And the shop assistant might say, "Sure, the fitting room is over there."
Here's a fun one. If the clothes don't fit, say, "It's too small." "It's too big." "It's perfect."
Nice. Let's practice that too. Repeat after us. "It's too small. It's too big. It's perfect."
Awesome. Now, let's go to the checkout counter.
The cashier might ask, "Did you find everything okay? Would you like a bag? How would you like to pay?"
And you can answer, "Yes, thank you." "Yes, I'd like a bag. I'll pay by card, please."
Easy, right? You're sounding more and more like a shopping pro.
And don't forget to be polite. Always say thank you and have a nice day. That's how you leave a great impression.
Oh, and one more tip. If something is too expensive, you can say, "Do you have any discounts? Is there a sale today? That's a bit expensive. Can you give me a better price?"
Very useful in markets, especially if you like to bargain. Okay, let's quickly review today's shopping phrases. Repeat after us. 1. Can I try this on? 2. Do you have this in another color? 3. I'll pay by card, please. 4. Do you have any discounts? 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect. You just learned all the phrases to shop like a real English pro.
Next time you go shopping, don't be shy. Speak English with confidence.
And remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
You're doing great. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
See you next time. Bye-bye.